Hi everyone, welcome back. On this new episode of Biomarine 360, we are going to focus on a unique but very fragile marine resource that is showing tremendous potential on the market today. I'm talking about the sea cucumber. To learn more about this amazing species, I interviewed Dr. Sergio Carballo, scientific advisor at Marine Essence Biosciences. With more than 25 years of experience in R&D with sea cucumber DNA and RNA, Marine Essence Biosciences, or ME-Bio, is a high-tech company specializing in the research and development of marine biotechnology. More importantly, they aim to find the solutions to harness the sea cucumber's health benefits for pharmaceutical and cosmetic applications. Dr. Sergio Carballo is in charge of leading new product development for biomedical applications using ME-Bio's patented technology. He has extensive experience in nanobiotechnology research and the development of natural-derived biomaterials to bring innovative and effective products to patients at an affordable cost. Let's dive together and discover the world behind ME-Bio. Hi, Sergio. Thank you for joining me here today to talk about a very specific topic your company is working on, Seacucumber.
Thank you. Thank you for joining me, and I'm really glad to share our developments with you guys.
And we're just going to drive directly into it. So let's talk about the Seacucumber collagen you guys are working on. What makes it so special compared to other existing collagens on the market?
Well, Seacucumbers are really interesting organisms. They are composed. Their body walls are composed by a unique extracellular matrix that is named mutable collagenous tissue. This extracellular matrix is composed by collagen fibers that are cross-linked by glucosaminoglycans, and normally that makes the source of collagen a unique material for many different applications. Like, for example, every time that you have joint problems, normally you get your collagen pills or whatever, and they normally need to be combined with another treatment that is normally chondroitin sulfate, hyaluronic acid. In Seacucumbers, hyaluronic acid, chondroitin sulfate are naturally bonded to the collagen already, and that makes it the most suitable matrix for tissue regeneration.
Wow. And so with this unique mix of the collagen and all those hyaluronic acids and all the other components, what kind of applications are you going for from an industrial standpoint?
Well, as I mentioned, one of the biggest one will be kind of a tissue regeneration. So normally when you want to grow new tissue, heal tissue, and fix defects on the skin, for example, you need your cells to uptake collagen, process it, and create new tissue with it. For that, you need to be accompanied to different environmental factors, especially the glucosaminoglycans that will help boost and create a synergy effect that will make collagen grow faster. In our case, considering the uniqueness of our material, we are looking forward to applications regarding artificial skin, regarding wound treatments, and there's a nice derivative of that field, which will be the cosmetic applications, like, for example, treating scars, treating white spots in the skin, and general rejuvenation will be a field that we're exploring with great success. Yeah.
And if I'm not mistaken, you already have some products directly on the market at the moment?
Yeah, we have a line of nutritional supplements and a line of healthcare products, especially cosmeceuticals, that will be have been really well taken by the public. They have shown really good results, and you are welcome to look at them online on Amazon and anywhere else.
Absolutely. I mean, I'll put the information in the description afterwards. To jump to another very specific topic about Seacucumber, can you elaborate on your sustainability strategy? Because I know a lot of people are actually focusing on that, and for them, it's something quite important.
Yeah, that's a priority for us. We have been involved in many interactions with local governments to guarantee first the sourcing and secondly the sustainability of our projects and our sourcing of materials. In that case, we have involved in agreements with governments in unpolluted ocean regions like the Quebec province in Canada, Tahiti in the French Polynesia. And through those agreements, we guarantee sustainability of the sourcing, sustainability of the environmental conditions where these unique Seacucumbers grow. And we are moving forward to next generation bioprocessing strategies to start growing Seacucumber cells in vitro and not need to go and catch it on the ocean. So those strategies are currently in development, and our main goal is to be 100% sustainable by the time that we reach the commercialization stage for our medical device.
That's amazing. And as you said, if you can manage to do that, I think the issue of the biodiversity loss, which is a huge challenge, notably for sea cucumbers, because there's a lot of Asian countries that are overexploiting them sometimes. So if you can overcome that challenge, that could be a real game changer.
Yeah, one thing that is important to add there is that we're not focusing any kind of Seacucumber, so we don't extract every Seacucumber from the ocean. We just focus on a specific species that we have identified as the key sources for high quality collagen for tissue regeneration, and that's why through these government agreements we just hatch and take care of those specific ones.
Okay. Perfect strategy. Moving on to the next question. So it's a very specific sector. Not a lot of people go into it. So what drove your founder to work with Seacucumber?
Well, that's a really good question. So our founder has a lot of experience in the medical device area. He developed a really successful company earlier than ours that was focusing on treatments, specifically surgical treatments for brain tumors. And when he was developing those technologies and interacting with physicians in the operating room, he realized that there was a big need for post-surgical treatments that actually prevent the growth, the scar, the treatment of the scar, the healing of the scars that were left after those treatments. And being connected with traditional cultures, he realized how the good benefits of Seacucumber and the compounds that are found in Seacucumber, especially this unique source of collagen, but also other additional key components that will actually prevent pain, that will also manage a proper healing process. And that took him to dig a little bit more in these organisms, try to understand them, specifically working on genetics, and metabolomics identification of key components in these sources, and actually find out those key leading organisms that are the most promising for this kind of application.
Amazing story. And once again, it's just these random discoveries of finding an amazing product and from the ocean, which makes it even more powerful. And if I recall correctly, we're just scratching the surface when it comes to understanding Seacucumber. So I figure in the I figure in the years to come, there's going to be much more discoveries, and there's wound healing. Who knows what it's going to go for? Okay, well, just one final question I wanted to ask: do you use the Seacucumber collagen yourself?
Yes. Well, we normally in the I would say the skin treatments are pretty well. My wife, she just had a baby, and for treating her C-section scar after that, and we have an amazing product that's been really well taken in the market. So yeah, we are welcome to check on them too, and I will be glad if you like our projects and get your feedback from them.
Yeah, I'd definitely like to try some of that. Anyways, Sergio, thank you very much for your time. Really appreciate discovering the world of Seacucumber here on Biomarine 360. And yeah, I look forward to seeing all the products come out.
Yeah, thank you. It was an honor, and thank you for having me here.
Thank you.